Welcome on our YouTube channel. Hopefully you can find solution of your problem. In this video, we'll discuss about how to log into your Netgear Nighthawk router, how to change your Wi-Fi password, how to set up your connection. Firstly, make sure your router is connected to the internet before setup. Step 1, connect devices. Locate login details. Check the default login details on your router label. You can find the default login details printed on the router label. Download Nighthawk app link will be in description. Download the Nighthawk app, nighthawkapp.com. Download and install the Nighthawk app from the App Store or Google Play. Follow steps shown in video. Connect phone to router. Connect your phone to the router's default Wi-Fi network. Make sure your mobile is connected to the Netgear router's default network. Step 4. Log in to Nighthawk. Login with username, admin, password. Open a browser, enter your Nighthawk router login page, and log in with the default username and password. Accept agreement, accept license agreement and terms of service. Read the Netgear license agreement and click I agree to continue. Setup with Genie. Netgear Genie will configure your web connection. The setup wizard will guide you through the web connection process. Finally, we set up. Setup complete, router connected. Your Nighthawk router is now successfully set up and connected. Further facing any issue again, open our YouTube description and visit our website for more detail, or call our expert for immediate solution number shown on screen. Thank you.